Single-seat ultralight. The Mosquito Air Kit starts at just $20,000, making it one of the cheapest ways into rotary flight. Single-seat ultralight FAR. Part 103 compliant. No license needed. Build it yourself and own your own helicopter for the price of a used car. The Rotorway Exec 90 is a two-seat kit helicopter you can find used for $20,000 to $60,000. It uses an automotive-style engine, giving it lower running costs. A hands-on build experience with solid performance, perfect for the budget-minded aviation enthusiast. At $35,000 to $38,000, the Mirocopter SCH-2A is one of the most affordable ready-to-fly helicopters on the market. Single-seat FAR Part 103 compliant, no pilot's license required. Lightweight, simple design and genuinely flyable right out of the box. The Mosquito XEL is a factory-built ultralight helicopter priced at $52,000 to $58,000. Single-seat and FAR Part 103 compliant, it's available as a kit or factory build. Smooth, lightweight and surprisingly capable, one of the best value helicopters available today. The Mosquito XE is a step up from the XEL, ranging $53,000 to $76,000. Available as a kit or factory build experimental, this single-seat helicopter delivers solid performance with a piston engine. Requires a pilot's license but rewards you with real rotary wing capability. The composite FX XE290 is a high-performance single-seat kit helicopter starting at $63,000. Powered by a Rotex engine, it offers impressive speed and handling for the price. An experimental aircraft that punches well above its weight class, a serious machine at a serious value. The Helicycle is a turbine-powered single-seat kit helicopter priced at $65,000 to $67,000. It runs on a Boeing T-62 turbine engine, a rare feature at this price. Fast, efficient and thrilling to fly. If you want turbine performance on a budget, the Helicycle is hard to beat. The Safari 400 is a kit helicopter ranging $74,000 to $133,000 depending on configuration. Built around a robust frame, it offers real utility with passenger capacity. One of the most capable kit helicopters available, a serious step toward practical rotary ownership. The Mini 500 is a discontinued single-seat experimental helicopter only found on the used market. Prices vary wildly. Lightweight and nimble, it was groundbreaking in its day. Buyer beware, parts can be hard to find, but for collectors and builders, it's a fascinating piece of aviation history. The Denali H3 Sport is a sleek two-seat ultralight helicopter priced at $140,000 to $195,000. Made in Belgium, it features a modern composite airframe and Rotex engine. Sporty handling, great visibility and microlight classification in many countries, a premium ultralight experience. The Brantley B2 is a vintage two-seat piston helicopter available used for $150,000 to $200,000. One of the smallest certified helicopters ever made. Simple mechanics, affordable parts and iconic design. A classic choice for the budget buyer who wants an FAA-certified machine with real history. The Heliwhale Afalina is a Russian-built two-seat light helicopter priced at $200,000 to $250,000. Modern composite construction, turbocharged engine and a surprisingly roomy cabin. An underrated option for buyers looking for a certified machine at a fraction of Western manufacturer prices. The Phoenix A600 Turbo is a turbocharged light helicopter ranging $200,000 to $300,000. Two seats, composite construction and strong high-altitude performance. A compelling option for buyers who want turbocharged power without stepping into the million-dollar turbine segment. The Robinson R22 is the world's most popular training helicopter. New ones start above $350,000. But used examples can be found under $100,000. Two seats, a Lycoming engine and decades of proven reliability. If you want your first helicopter, the R22 is where most pilots start. The Hummingbird 300L is a light piston helicopter priced at $250,000 to $350,000. Designed for training and private use, it offers a stable platform with good visibility. Less common than the Robinson lineup, but worth serious consideration for buyers wanting a solid alternative. The gimbal Cabri G2 costs around $350,000 and is one of the safest light helicopters ever built. 2 seats, a Lycoming engine and a Finestrin tail rotor that dramatically reduces accident risk. Flight schools across the world are switching to the Cabri, and for good reason. The Enstrom TH180 is priced at around $400,000 and designed specifically for flight training. 2 seats, a turbocharged Lycoming engine and rock-solid build quality. Lighter and more streamlined than older Enstrom models, the TH180 has become a favorite at flight academies. The Enstrom F28 has been in production since the 1960s and still commands respect. Used examples run $350,000 to $450,000. 3 seats, a turbocharged piston engine and legendary durability. One of the longest produced helicopters in history, and still a great buy today. The Schweizer 300 series is a training icon, available used for $250,000 to $450,000. Simple mechanics, affordable maintenance and a long FAA service record. 3 seats in most variants. If you want a reliable workhorse helicopter that won't bankrupt you to maintain, the Schweizer 300 delivers. The Hiller U812 is a vintage 3-seat piston helicopter available used for $150,000 to $350,000. Built from the 1950s onward, it earned its reputation in military training and agriculture. Simple to maintain, parts still available and surprisingly capable, a classic that still earns its keep. A used Robinson R44 Raven II can be had for $200,000 to $500,000 depending on age and hours. 4 seats, smooth handling and a massive support network. One of the best value used helicopters on the market, affordable to buy and relatively inexpensive to maintain compared to turbines. The Enstrom 280FX is a 3-seat piston helicopter priced at $400,000 to $500,000. Sleek aerobatic design, turbocharged engine and exceptional stability. Known for its distinctive look and outstanding build quality, Enstrom fans swear by the 280FX, and the numbers back them up. The Hughes 300 is a legendary 2-seat piston helicopter available used for $80,000 to $200,000. Predecessor to the Schweizer 300, it was the go-to trainer for decades. Light, simple and dirt cheap to run. Few helicopters offer this much history and flyability for so little money. The Sikorsky Schweizer S333 is a light turbine helicopter priced at $500,000 to $700,000. Evolved from the Schweizer 300, it adds a turbine engine for significantly improved performance. Popular with law enforcement and flight schools, a true professional tool at a competitive price. The MD530F is a hot and high turbine helicopter priced at $600,000 to $800,000. A direct evolution of the legendary Hughes 500, it thrives in mountainous and high-altitude environments. Used by military and law enforcement worldwide, a no-nonsense machine built for demanding real-world missions. The Robinson R66 is Robinson's turbine helicopter, priced at $900,000 to $1 million new. 5 seats, a Rolls-Royce RR300 turbine engine and class-leading performance. It bridges the gap between affordable pistons and expensive corporate turbines. The R66 is arguably the best value turbine helicopter in the world. The Augusta Westland AW009 is priced at $1.3 million and offers serious turbine performance in a compact package. Top speed of 260 km per hour, range of 790 km and $200 per hour operating costs. Popular with news crews, flight schools and VIP transport, a professional machine at a manageable price. The MD-500E is priced at $1.1 million and is one of the most recognizable light turbine helicopters ever made. 5 seats, a powerful Allison turbine and exceptional maneuverability. Used by military, police and private operators worldwide. Proven, fast and iconic. A serious machine for serious buyers. The Eurocopter EC-120 Colibri is priced at $1.4 million, making it one of the most affordable Airbus turbine helicopters. 5 seats, 191 km/h cruise speed, 727 km range and a Finestron tail rotor for safety. Popular with flight schools and corporate operators. A polished, professional turbine at a competitive price. The Bell 206 is an aviation legend priced around $900,000 new, with used models available for less. 5 seats, a turbine engine and an unmatched track record in law enforcement, news and transport. Originally designed for the US Army and now a civilian icon, the Bell 206 is a helicopter that earns its price.